guys, welcome back. We've got a snack crate here. Says it's from Colombia. First time ever doing a snack crate. I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into.
Interesting.
Looks like a bunch of chips.
On top of it. What is it?
Plantain chips.
Ooh, banana.
Chip with chili and lemon.
Oh, banana lemon.
Yellow marbles. Handmade by Master Bakers. Cheese snacks. Grilled cheese. Baked, not fried.
Not so pretty. A lot of cheese stuff, it seems like.
These are like corn chips. They kind of look like Funyuns, but not Funyuns.
Like weird.
They're cheese rings. Baked, not fried. Some more plantain.
Lemon flavored potato chips.
Ooh, what are these? They're little gummies.
Oh, there's some cool looking stuff in there.
Oh, they sent some chocolate.
Choco-Ramo. It's a brownie.
Yeah, there's two of them. Two different kinds.
Oh.
This one looks better.
Actually, like little suckers.
Milk caramel with coconut.
Yucky. Coconut. No.
A couple little jet bars. I don't know, you want one?
Chocolate con leche.
Lemon bacon chips.
How much was this?
Ew.
That's
It was
interesting.
$50.
It was $50.
But like, there's different ones you can get. You can get ones that are like smaller,
That are like cheaper.
that are cheaper. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Wheat puffs. La Nina.
Bianchi.
Wow.
Max Cocoa. It's a wafer bar. It
That
looks
looks
like.
sweet.
Hey, there's 4 suckers.
Unless they're spicy. I know that Colombian stuff can be spicy.
Looks like pina colada something.
Pina colada?
They're not pina colada, but Neapolitan. And then a handful of candies.
Dolce. It feels like it's gonna be like something strange.
I'm curious to see if this little candy's spicy or not. Oh, it's really colorful.
I'm gonna try it. Oh, there's 2.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna try it? Oh, it's already broken in half. Sweet.
It's kind of like a Laffy Taffy, but kind of like an Almond Later.
It's like rainbow.
Mm-hmm. It's really cool.
It looks like one of those, like, you know, the stick ones.
Colombian coffee. I'm gonna save you little guys.
It smells good. It literally tastes like a bunch of now-and-laters twisted together.
Yeah,
Or
like
just like a. Or
Now
like
Later and Laffy Taffy.
what's it called?
That's not bad.
You know the like tropical
Very good.
Starburst?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like.
I'm gonna save that.
Okay.
Because I know I'm gonna find something I don't like probably.
Probably these are the plantain chips.
Plantain chips. Lenina.
Platano. banana. Oh boy.
So that's pretty cool.
Does it look like bacon?
Yeah, kind of.
But like puffed up.
Yeah, it's like a puffy bacon chip. Mmm. Pretty good. One. Pretty good.
Oh, I like the little design how it's like stripes.
It smells like a pork rind.
It reminds me of a bugle.
It does taste like a bugle, but with like a lime flavor.
That's a no for Brittany.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. You're pretty good. I'm
Horrible.
gonna save those.
So
Not
you
to
saw the
worry.
first time they instantly, I was like, and not like that. Oh, it's
These will be caca, I bet.
I don't know. I feel like they're gonna be like just the It's like a little.
I'm gonna go with the big one.
Maybe like hold it up.
Plantain chip.
Oh, they don't smell very good.
I didn't think to smell them.
What's like what
I always
flavor is
smell
these
stuff.
ones?
Natural green plantain.
Ugh. No, no, no.
It's not the best.
I feel like
I
I've
could do
tasted
with
that
some
before.
ketchup, to be honest. Like,
Ketchup.
yeah,
Don't you
hey,
like
wait.
ketchup with
At
bananas?
first, it
I
like
like ketchup with my pancakes.
Or that's what, yeah.
low key. It
You know what?
tastes like a Lay's, but very grosser, and it's like stale almost.
And it tastes like, I don't like the texture. It's like,
Blah.
it tastes like if carpet had a, like a
We just
flavor.
grab
like
our
if the
Fritos
texture
Lay's,
of carpet had a flavor.
Jalapeno cheddar dip, and we
Jesus
just
Christ. No. I think that
really good.
no, that's a no for me, dog.
The
We're gonna put
banana
these in here, and we're gonna
chips.
save these because these are good dipping chips for my cheese.
Yucky.
Yucky.
They literally look like sliced bananas.
They really do. Because
Are
it's a
they
slice of
not?
plantain.
What is plantain?
It's a type of
It's
like
banana, I
a
think.
banana, but it's different.
When you lick it, it's good because
Nailed
there's
it
like
right
salt
on
on
the
it.
Yeah.
Mm.
But then, you
But
lick it.
We're going with some
Why'd
wheat
you
puffs.
trying to just? Why'd you?
Wheat puffs.
Wheat.
Wheat puffs.
Wheat puff.
That's quite the flavor.
Wheaty.
Wheat puff?
Oh boy.
What is it?
Guess we'll find out.
Oh, it's cute.
I don't know if I like the. The smell is weird. It's like greasy smelling.
Yeah, I get that.
It's plain.
It doesn't taste like anything.
It's plain. I'm dissatisfied. These are
kinda-
plain.
It kind of tastes like
What else we got?
a pretzel without salt.
Yeah.
Some more Lenina.
Oh boy.
Popcorn. Sabro lemon.
Okay, but it has a really bad
lemon,
aftertaste.
lemon flavored potato chips.
Ew.
I don't know about this. Lemon?
I feel like it might be good because you know lime, lemon and lime. You left the fridge open.
I did.
House.
Ooh, I dropped one. I don't think this would be the best one to sample for a flavor.
It looks like a normal.
It smells a little weird.
It smells like a potato chip, like a freshly opened bag.
Right.
Just like the Lay's and stuff.
Oh.
That is quite the flavor.
Yeah, that is
Okay, wait. It's not bad.
It
It's
just
like
looks
salt
so.
It's
and
gross.
vinegar.
It's gross at first, but then you're like,
It has a pucker to it. Yeah,
It looks too plain to have that much flavor.
Right?
Like it just like
it really does.
it's like salt and vinegar.
It's not
it really
the
does
worst,
just like kick me in the
but
Oh,
it's not like my favorite. Could definitely be a lot worse.
It could be a lot worse, but it was, what one? These?
I wonder how the big old balls. Brittany's
It
gonna
says
sit.
new.
Oh, Brittany's
Yeah.
gonna sit on
Yeah.
that one because it's cheese.
And these are new too. So
New. And more new.
new yellow marbles, aka cheese
Passion
balls.
fruit. Bon bon bum.
I'll pass on the passion fruit. This one is mango.
We got the passion though, baby.
This one's a strawberry.
This one's watermelon.
Ooh, that one's good. That one's mango.
I love how I have this like.
Go back to the-
simulated
You,
little pile of-
me, that's mine, but these are weird. Oh,
They're very weird.
They smell bad. I don't even want to try
Are
it.
they like cheese balls?
Yeah, they're
Yeah, but like smell it. It doesn't
Yeah.
even smell like cheese.
cheese snacks.
It
Ew.
smells bad.
That smells like when you leave like sushi in a
Ooh,
car
I
for
bet
too
this would
long.
be good crushing ASMR.
Yeah.
Jason's face. He said,
I got
Okay,
cringy.
ready?
"Ooh, that would be good ASMR though, like high key."
Ah.
They're out of here. She said she can't swallow it.
I need
You
water.
want some Kool-Aid?
Water! Water!
I moved
Oh,
bottles
my
of water.
sink is
They're
right
right by
here.
your feet.
Oh my
Ew.
sink is right
God,
here.
for the love of God, that was nasty.
That was horrible.
Oh man.
Alright, so it is like biting into a cheese flavored ice cream cone.
Ew.
Like,
That's
it reminds me of an ice cream cone a little bit, texture wise.
Styrofoam with
Yeah,
shit on it.
I have a feeling that
Sorry, I cussed.
these cheese rings will not be any better.
I
So,
don't know.
I don't have high expectations for these at all.
Oh, so you're gonna try now.
Yep, I'm going for them now.
Alright.
Let me get a little bit of taste.
Those little rainbow things were good.
It really, yeah.
Yeah. Whatever.
That's a green one.
A green one.
And then there's a
Green.
orange one. Oh, wrapper wise.
You want to share this one, Katie?
I don't know, I need a...
Taste bud break. Look, this one's cute. Oh, it smells really good too.
It does.
Like it smells like a weird perfume, kind of.
Fruity. Oh god.
Got my own cheese rings on.
Cheers. They look like bagels. Like little nasty bagels. Oh no, it smells the same as the last one. I don't want to put it in my mouth.
Don't do it. Don't do it, Katie. Don't do it.
I
Well,
would
like,
rather buy Cheez-Its from the Dollar Tree.
okay, but like you didn't. Okay, so
Same Jason.
Alright, what's the next?
oh,
Is it the same?
Life says no. Not
it's
safe.
literally the same,
Like the
but it's
exact-
harder.
Yeah, it's harder.
What the hell?
Oh.
What the heck?
That is the worst flavor.
I need to cleanse my palate with some jalapeno cheddar and some plain sane chips.
I hope people don't actually eat those.
Right. And so, I don't. I feel bad for you.
Kudos to you because it tastes bad.
Mm-hmm. Get some real food.
Oh,
I kind of want to try this little Neapolitan thing.
see? I want to at least smell it.
Like, how am I supposed to eat this? Do I just roll it back and lick it out?
It low-key smells like there's some like Nutella in there. Smells
pretty good.
hazelnutty.
Smells pretty good to me. I'm not supposed to like.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yes, I'm gonna go with the baby spoon because that's the only thing that's cut. How are you supposed to eat this? Did you just lick it out?
What is it?
It's pretty good. Tastes like Neapolitan.
It's Oh, okay, but like when you go to like put your finger in it, it's a lot harder than.
Yeah,
It's like
kind of
almost
firm.
like taffy,
Yeah.
It is so good.
but I feel like with Nutella.
It tastes like a chocolate wafer. Like one of those like sugar wafer things that you'd buy at like, I don't know.
I'm not loving it.
I like that one. Well, at least the chocolate, because I got.
Pretty good.
I'm not loving it.
Could be worse.
Yeah, the cheese things. I'm not here for it.
Saber of chocolate, it says.
Flashbacks from
Nom. What is that one?
It's a chocolate bar, and I think it has caramel and peanuts in it.
I don't- I feel like this should go
Nice.
on something. Like you should dip something in this, because it's just too much as its own thing.
Right?
Like frosting. I'm just gonna keep this spoon on hand.
Yeah, it's just chocolate, caramel, and peanuts.
It literally tastes like a Snickers to me.
Mm-hmm. Pretty much is a Snickers.
Uh-huh.
I don't like this one, but I don't like Snickers either, so it's like
I mean, yeah.
I don't hate it. Like I could eat this if I was like desperate for something sweet. But like
Well, we
Right.
have 2 Jet bars. I will not be eating my whole Jet bar.
Do you want to just share that one then?
Yes.
Because I don't want to open another one if
Wow,
it's nasty.
well, how do they wrap this? This is pretty cool. You got this wrapper, and then,
wait, that's those little Jet bars?
Yeah.
Oh, word.
Oh, shit.
That's a lot different than what I thought.
There's
it was.
too many wrappers.
that's what I was thinking, but I think this is a sticker. It's some kind of, like, beetle or June bug or
Maybe you
something.
buy a Jet bar and like you get another one, but it's just a sticker with it.
Look, there's 3 dots.
Oh, I didn't even see the chocolate, so I was like really confused. I was like, oh, maybe you just got a pack with a sticker in it, and then
Straight up, I think it is a sticker.
Ooh, you get a sticker with a Jet bar.
hooray.
And 3 wrappers.
3 unnecessary wrappers.
Trees. Look it really is a sticker. Yo.
Hey, don't put it on me. I could have put it on something.
You still can.
I'm gonna put it on the fridge.
It smells it.
It's a milk chocolate bar, so it's just like a Hershey's bar. Hershey's milk chocolate.
It tastes like Hershey's, just less sweet.
Right.
It has more of a cocoa.
Mm-hmm. It
It's
tastes
like
more
a deep-
chocolatey than it does like sugary.
It's like deeper cocoa. Okay. It kind of reminds me of just bittersweet chocolate.
Okay, after I chew
Has
for
a
a minute,
bad aftertaste.
they sell these things at Meijer, and it's like a fudge bar, and it's just like a fudge ice cream thing.
Red
And
Jack
this is
Cocoa.
exactly what it tastes like. I haven't tasted one of these. in
120
years.
calories, 6 grams of total fat, saturated fat 3.5 grams, total sugar 7 grams, sodium 15 milligrams. For 1 cookie.
Oh boy. Is it really that thick around? Oh, it's
2 cookies. Wow.
That's a long. It's like a harmonica.
It's like harmonical.
Oh, that's.
I am with
It's a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be.
It's like a chocolate wafer bar, but they skipped out on the chocolate a little bit.
It smells coconutty. I definitely smell coconut.
Oh, I definitely taste the coconut now. Are you allergic?
Ariel.
I know Ariel. That's why I'm at.
Yeah, no, there's Ariel in my mouth.
I don't want to kill no one. says extra cream, but I'm not seeing any extra cream in here. I think the wrapper lied. Not bad.
It's not. I'm not a coconut fan though, so you gotta remember that.
So you would not want one of these. It's a milk caramel with coconut.
I don't know about it.
I just want me a little piece of it because I'm not sure about it either.
Right. Oh, I'm down to try it, I guess. I'm not a coconut fan. It looks nasty. It almost smells like a Samoa though, minus the chocolate.
Like one of the Girl Scouts or something.
Mm-hmm.
It does.
No,
It's not as coconutty as I thought.
right. I was expecting more of a coconut flavor.
I didn't expect that texture.
I think that has more of a coconut flavor than that does.
Right?
For being mostly coconut.
Just two things left. Oh, this is definitely a coconut bar.
It looks like it. It definitely is like a milky aftertaste, that last one. Should I get it
I don't like this one.
I don't like this one.
Yeah. Because I chewed on it for a minute before deciding if I liked it or not. Like I was like, Because after a minute, it tastes like this like weird, gross caramel.
It has a milk, like there's a lot of milky. Huh?
Is that coconut or is it just like?
Yeah.
I think it's coconut.
I think they have a lot of things to do with coconut and bananas.
Yeah.
This kind of tastes like hairspray.
I really like this one, but I also like
I'm
really
not
like
living
coconut.
for
Like
it.
It's like a
coconut.
mound.
Mhm.
But nastier.
Mm-mm.
No. No bueno. I'm gonna have to put this over here because I've spit out a lot more than I thought. That's definitely too much concentrated coconut for me. But like I said, I don't like coconut. What?
Save the gummies for last because it's only one though.
Huh?
I'm gonna go from chocolate to cake back to chocolate. No, they don't want me in this bag, and I don't want to make a mess.
I mean, I would enjoy that, to see that.
I don't want to clean up plantain chips
Why not?
with chili and lime.
They look the same.
They look the same, but they're with chili and have chili and lime on them, so they should be better.
Smell like shit. Oh no, that's a big one.
Don't be scared.
They're all big.
I'm gonna have to pass on them. Actually, I'm gonna try one.
Just try one. It'll be fine.
I feel like it's gonna taste just like those, but with more like of a different flavor added.
I don't like the texture. And it's a lot spicier than I thought it was gonna be.
Is it as bad
Yes.
as the other one?
It's
No,
not bad. It's just, it's spicier.
It's not
Like,
as
actually quite spicy. The,
I
tex-
good.
the texture is bad.
Mm-hmm.
That is a stale chip if I've ever
I
had
was just
one.
like forced it to the very center of my mouth and was like,
It's spicy.
Yeah.
It's a lot spicier than I thought it was gonna be.
And there's that like gross doo-doo banana flavor at the end. Like, ugh. The same as that one.
Ew.
Banana doo-doo.
Yes, it's like
It's-
a doo-doo-y banana flavor.
We're not living for it.
Definitely not.
That's enough.
Hey, I need to get this out.
There's a bottle of water over there.
There's that.
Why did I start talking?
Down on the floor.
Over there?
Mark, you want in front of the face.
Blah.
They look like Cool Ranch Doritos,
Oh, they're so cute. Oh god.
but they remind me of corn chips. And there's a little chili and corn on the wrapper.
Okay,
So
they don't smell horrible.
they might have a little spice to them.
What's
They
in
don't
this one?
smell spicy. Picante.
Picante.
No clue there, sweetie pie. Looks like corn and a chili on the front.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Oh,
No.
I like the smell of it. It smells like it's gonna taste good.
Uh-uh.
Does it actually taste that good?
No.
No.
There's like a bacon flavor along with a... No. It's a no for me, dog.
These and these, it's a yes for me.
Okay, it's actually not that bad.
Whoa, what was in here?
That was gross.
Now we're down to 2 marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Or, I don't know what's the marshmallows, 2 brownies.
And are those gummies over there?
Yeah, we got a pack of gummies.
You might like those.
Nice.
I got one right here, Silly. Silly. Goose. No. It's a no for me. On that last one. It was like,
The little chips?
it really tastes like bacon.
After this, I'm gonna go sit
Oh.
down with my cheese and my new kinds of chip, relax, and snack.
They're called, they're like the,
Wow.
what is the little chips?
That is.
Look pretty delicious.
Triangle.
It looks like a piece of toast.
The little Cool Ranch Doritos.
They're like, people
The-
put them on their fingers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Bugles.
bugles.
Yeah, that's what that thing tasted like. The little
It looks like toast. Like the shape.
wholesome.
Ay.
I can feel it. Diabetes.
Yeah.
Same juice and same.
What got you? Colombian diabetes.
Well, I mean,
Looks pretty good. Smells pretty good.
That is thick.
with
Mhm.
2 C's.
With like 10.
It looks like there might be some it looks like almost like German chocolate filling in the inside.
It looks
Yeah.
like it's supposed to be a little Debbie snack cake thing.
I'm not a fan, but it's not me.
Oh, it's like a caramel. Dolce de leche, probably.
Not for me. Too sweet.
You know, this one isn't that bad.
No, it's not.
I actually like this one.
This one is not a brownie. Vanilla cake with chocolate flavored coating.
Ooh.
So we get some white cake with chocolate frosting.
I would have never picked that up by the color of it.
Right, I thought it was a brownie.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I started to look and get curious because if you look down here on this end, it looks to be white cake.
It does look like a huge brownie though.
It looks huge.
Like a
Like
French
that's a
brick.
very big.
I'm breaking chocolate off. Be more gentle, man. Bam.
Well, how are you supposed to be so gentle when your profession? This is out of
gentle, huh? We just send it.
My throat is going through a lot at the moment with all these flavors.
I know.
I really hope it's not just me low-key being allergic to coconut. Like,
No, I feel like, especially after that spicy.
Death to your throat.
my throat's closing in.
Right.
Go, go, go.
I guess I.
When you're done.
No. This has a weird.
So dry.
Okay.
Wow.
If a cake was put in a gym sock and left in
I
a
wouldn't
locker,
feed that to none of y'all. Not even my dog.
if it was a piece of cake was put in a gym sock, left in a locker,
That's a no for me.
that's what this would be.
I just like someone put frosting on cornbread, but like really gross cornbread.
Yeah,
Don't suck
like
cornbread like
hard. I get it though.
That's
like,
a hard no
if
for
you
me,
feel,
guys.
if you feel it, it's
Yeah.
hard as hell.
That was three
nasty.
no's.
So no from Madel.
It had a weird after flavor too, and it was kind of like, no. Oh my god.
Last but not least, gummies.
Which one do you want? You want the octopus or the frog? Jason, you need the frog.
I got me a frog.
Oh.
I got me a bunch.
Mr. Frogger. It smells
I
good.
usually like
I got a turtle, octopus,
Me
and a
too,
frog.
actually.
I hate gummy worms and gummy bears. Like they're just nasty. But like I'm okay with Sour Patch Kids.
Oh my god, it has like shit in the middle.
Oh.
Did you see it?
Oh.
I
It's like
could,
a Dusher gummy.
I could mess with these. These are okay.
Yeah, I don't hate this.
I hate gummies usually,
Same.
and this isn't bad.
'Cause I don't like Jello. Like I just don't like the squishy, gross like texture. I hate it.
Pretty good.
It's not bad. I could live for it. It
No
kinda
one coming
reminds me-
soon.
Stickers, like Latte Savieres.
La Fe Stavier.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit the like, subscribe. We'll be having another one of these here in a few weeks. Not sure exactly when, but we'll be having another one. So
They
Stay
usually
tuned.
ship monthly.
catch you in the next one.